Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of the human heart. This little organ is the powerhouse that keeps us alive by pumping blood throughout our bodies. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how it all works. First up, let's talk about where the heart is located. The heart sits snugly in your chest, between your lungs, slightly to the left. It's protected by a sac called the pericardium, which has two layers: the fibrous outer layer and the serous inner layer, with a lubricating fluid in between to reduce friction. Now the heart has four chambers. The upper ones are the atria, and the lower ones are the ventricles. The right atrium takes in deoxygenated blood from the body, while the left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The right ventricle pumps blood to the lungs, and the left ventricle sends it out to the rest of the body. Next, let's look at the heart valves. They act like doors, ensuring blood flows in one direction. There are four main valves: the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. They open and close in response to pressure changes within the heart chambers. The heart wall is made up of three layers. The outer layer is called the epicardium, the middle muscular layer is the myocardium, and the inner layer is the endocardium. The myocardium is the workhorse here, responsible for contracting and pumping blood. Alright, let's move on to the cardiac cycle. It has two main phases: systole and diastole. During systole, the ventricles contract and pump blood out. During diastole, the ventricles relax and fill with blood. This cycle is regulated by electrical impulses from the SA node, the heart's natural pacemaker. Speaking of electrical impulses, the heart's conduction system is pretty cool. The impulse starts at the SA node, travels to the AV node, down the bundle of His, and through the Purkinje fibers, causing the ventricles to contract. This ensures the heart beats in a coordinated and efficient manner. The heart also needs its own blood supply, which comes from the coronary arteries. These arteries branch off from the aorta and wrap around the heart, delivering oxygen and nutrients. The deoxygenated blood is collected by the coronary veins and returned to the right atrium. Lastly, the heart rate is regulated by the autonomic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system ramps up the heart rate during stress or exercise, while the parasympathetic nervous system slows it down during rest. So, that's the heart in a nutshell. Its anatomy and physiology are perfectly designed to keep blood flowing efficiently, delivering oxygen and nutrients to our bodies. Understanding how the heart works is crucial for diagnosing and treating cardiovascular diseases. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.